Okay, I got an issue here. We have a problem. I had my drone yesterday with me, and all the buildings in Marlboro Projects had a power shortage. Marlboro Projects in Brooklyn, New York. West 11th Street in Brooklyn, New York. And my drone, DJi Mavic Mini, I put it up in the air. It lost connection between the drone and remote. It lost connection 3 or 4 times. And now it's gone. And DJi needs to correct this defect. Now, what's gonna happen? I lost my drone. All I have is the remote. I mean, this is something, this hurts. I spent money on the drone and now the drone is gone. Is anybody gonna replace or give me some compensation for my drone being lost? All I have is the remote now. It's crazy. And what type of area did I have to cover? You want to see what type of area I had to cover? And I just finished walking all over in this area. I'm going to show you approximately. See, my drone was right there. I put it up in the air. Now I'm going to let y'all see. Let me get across this street here. I put it up in the air in front of my building, and due to electrical failure in the whole entire projects, I'm still looking. It lost connection and it's gone. Now I gotta still walk around in this area. See, this is where I lost the drone. It flew up right about there, and I done walked all the way I checked all in the back over there. I'm about to walk in this park area and look in this park area and see if I see it. Can DJi compensate me with a replacement Mavic Mini? How you doing? I don't know. Just messed up that I lost my drone. I gotta look all over the place. Gotta look in here too. This playground area. Gotta at least look. See where I lost my drone? It flew away. Lost connection. I'm all over the place looking for it. Could have fell anywhere.